How to get started with Chat GPT or how to log into OpenAI Chat GPT. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can sign up or log in to Chat GPT. Now it's quite simple and easy. You can do so on any of your device. You want to simply head into your browser and there you want to search in for Chat GPT. Now in my case, you can see on my Google Chrome I have searched in for Chat GPT and you can see the very first link there, OpenAI Chat GPT. Now you can see various options there, Chat GPT login and such. Simply tap on it. Now you can, if you have an account, you can simply tap on login account and you can log into your account. If you don't have account, you want to simply tap on sign up account. There are sign up option and it'll ask you for email address. Now if you have your Microsoft account, you can continue with Microsoft account. If you have Google account, you can type in your Google account easily if you're already signed in, or you can continue with your Apple account. In my case, I want to sign in with Google account, so I will simply tap on Google account and you want to select in the Google account from there. In my case, I have already the account, so it'll simply log in, but once you do so, you'll be able to sign up with your account. So this way you can sign up and log in to ChatGPT. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.